So here we have the Ford Fiesta 1.25 ZTEC on a 17 plate. I'll show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot, and then we can work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the back of the car, you'll see we've got reversing sensors, loads of boot space, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and we can run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in lovely condition the whole way round. Just before I climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we've got the rev counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer. The fuel gauge appears in the middle at the bottom, and then above that you can see the total miles of 4,862. You can change the information that's displayed up there by pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk, and as you can see, lots of different types of fuel economy information all the way back round to the beginning. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side here we've got stereo controls along with voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you. That is of course once you've paired the phone, which is done using the stereo and the screen directly in front of it. So before we come back to the phone, you can see that this car's got FM radio. If I push the radio button, it will go around. There's 2 FM frequencies, DAB, again 2 of those, and then 2 AM frequencies as well. And then on top of that, you've got lots of other ways of listening to music. So you've got a CD player and a USB input, and I mentioned Bluetooth previously. Not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio, which you can see just there. This car also has satellite navigation, which will appear up on that screen as well. The main stereo unit there houses the CD player. The radio button was the one I was pushing to cycle through the radio stations. This button will select the USB and Bluetooth audio output, and then you've got the CD player and satellite navigation at the top just there. Beneath that we've got the air conditioning. So fan speed is adjustable on the left hand side, temperature over on the right hand side here. Then determine where you'd like the air to blow. Press the AC button to turn the air conditioning on. This car also has a heated front screen, which is obviously fantastic for the time of year we're coming up to now. You then have a 5-speed manual gearbox, and directly beneath that a 12-volt charging socket, and then the USB input that I mentioned previously. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.